Look, he's starting to preen his feathers. Poop. You're not gonna do it now, are you? What are you guys doing in there? Aww. Okay, just a short little bird video. They get fed in about an hour. They're real perky now. Where are you going, big guy? What is he doing? Okay, bye-bye.